Excuse the profuse sweating. I've been practicing for a while. So haven't had time to really practice. So today I brought out all of my equipment, with the exception of one, to get an idea of what ball progression looks like based on the equipment that I have. In theory, sometimes you have an idea of what it's supposed to do until you see it on the lanes. Now, mind you, this was probably a semi broken down house shot, but it gave me an idea of what is and what isn't. So you'll see some shots of all the balls, and the ball reaction, so on and so forth, going from the bottom all the way up to the top. So kind of showing you where I started. Fireball, the new blue. For me, the vibe is kind of third line. The GB2, followed by the recently released Breakaway from Radical. Old School Stealth Pearl just drilled this up. Perfect Mindset, Black Widow 3.0, and at the top of the bag, the Extreme Envy.